talk to us about the strategy behind the speech and the not so hidden frustration that I know the campaign has felt that the vice president has had a hard time breaking through in this very crowded news climate. Today seemed to be different.
Yeah, today you saw a man, a president, a man that looks like a president, right? A man who's ready to lead in this moment, like you just said, Nicole. And you saw someone who was ready to listen, learn, and like I said, lead. And also you saw a man who understands the issues, who understands the policies, who understands that this country needs to start talking about uprooting institutional racism, and that's what we saw from Joe Biden today, and someone who will never walk into a church or walk in front of a church and hold a Bible. He will go inside and listen to what people have to say, and someone who's not going to use Twitter as another way to show leadership. And so this is what Joe Biden wanted to do. He wanted to bring the country together in this time of pain, and also call them to action in this moment of pain. But also, we have to make sure that we're bringing forth solutions, bringing forth policies, because that's incredibly important right now. But like you said at the beginning, we wanted to show contrast. We wanted to show contrast in policies and issues, but most importantly, Nicole, in character.